Kay mga langgam dere oh. Muna siya ang dog farm diya. Nya mo mga langgam po dere. Nagbuwat sa sila, nagkuan sila. Kanang gabuwat og bata ang mga langgam, tanawan ninyo. Gabuwat sila og bata. Wala gid mangilabot nila ani kung sa Pilipinas pa ni siya. Mga tambok kay nga langgam oh. Wala gid mangilabot nila diri nga langgaman na. Ngani sila ka respeto sa langgam. Yeah. Look at here. You can read this one. Kaning mga langgam dili na to sila disturbuhon while sila nagbuhat sila og mga bata. Tanawa oh. Daghan sila kayo. Mas mudagan pa ni sila kaning mga langgam dere. Oh, so much bird. They're making the baby. Look at. Now it's very clear. Look at. Nagupad-upad na. Look at. Look, ilog sila, gabuhat na sila og bata. Look at the birds. Every summer they coming here. Look at this. Look at the bird and that kind of bird and that one. Oh, they make the baby. Look at there. Look at there. Walay mangilabot nila. Walay mangwan sila ha. Look at. They can relax what they want. Walay manghilabot. Yes, I saw that. Yeah. I saw that. Look at the birds. Yeah. Yeah. Ang langgam kay nagpatunga sa kalsada. Look at, there is a car coming. You can see what is the reaction of the car. How they are respect the animals. How they respect the birds of the Svalbard. Look at here. Look at that. Look at. So slowly. The car must too slowly. Look at. And this is. Now, the birds slowly go out from the street. Look at. Together. Look at this. We can see also there is another car to coming and how to drive, how to respect the birds. So the driver of the car, they must slowly look at this and stop slowly, and the bird over there. Look at. It's so nice. It's so wonderful, the people here of this Svalbard to respect the animal. Fortera, come here, come inside in the car and we don't. Dili na to sila pwede disturbohon. Don't disturb the bird while making the baby. Or they are nanguan sila. Look at so much bird, but the next my vlog I will show you is more birds coming of this place. Well, side by side there is a dog farm there, and there is also here a dog farm. Look at, there's a lot of dogs, and this dogs is for the tourist. Oh, pwede na sila magdula na sila. Oh, pwede bata tanawa nagdula siya. Look at this is a dog farm. You can see the dog farm. It's so nice because all the dogs is very safe. Look at before. It's a cloudy, not a sunny day. You can can see here when I am the top of the dog farm. You can see the dog farm. Look at the dog farm. What's so nice, and look at the bird, the white color bird. So they're so very noisy. Ang daming mga ibon, ang daming mga langgam, oh. Tanawa, saba sila kaayo, oh. Kanang mga puti, mga langgam na. So I will show you. It's very near. Ayan. Ayan, nag-aagawan na sila, oh. Ayan. Hala, nag-away na sila. Lalaki, babae, kinsa ni. Hala, kinsa kay mga kariwal nila. Look at. Oh. Saba sila kayo, oh. Naginilugay sila, oh, gwapa. Ang mga langgam kay nagilugay sila gwapa. Look at. And that is the view that pag winter time, puno na siya gisno dana. Dana, oh. Puno na siya gisno, nag-ice din na sila diya pag winter time. Look at around. Cloudy siya, dili siya sunny day. So this is my vlog, not so clear. Look at the bird again. So much bird. Walay manghilabot na, and don't disturb the bird while they're making the baby or manganak sila. Oh. Look at this place. What's so nice. So everybody, kung naay langgam, kung mayroon mga ibon na dadaan sa daanan dyan, ang mga sasakyan na mag-stop din na sila. And after, pwede na sila magdaan. Okay? Look at. So nice. Ayan si Mergo. Nagtalikod lang si Mergo. Look at the Mergo. Mergo, she came from the Philippines. She can speak Norwegian. Yeah? What you doing? Look at the bird. Somebody die. They're gikaon nila ang sarili nilang nila, kapwa na langgam. Okay. Kanang mga langgam nga duha ka puti, gipatay ang kaning iyang uyab, oh. Mo na iyang uyab, namatay na iyang uyab. Oh, wala gibiyaan niya kay namatay naman. Ang nagpatay anak mo na, oh, ang duha ka puti ang nagpatay sa iyang uyab. Wala kauno na po na niya karon, tanawa ha. Oh, yan ang gikaon, oh. Oh. Oh, gikaon nila kay wala na magi-check kalaban-laban. Wala ka, ang langgam. Dili na ba kayo maklaro sa kong video? Ang klaro na. Kana, klaro na kayo, kana. Oh. Gibiyaan na lang niya, oh.
For the handler, for the fisher, for the...
Wala ko.